how is it going today, loyalists? My name is Dwayne.
My name is Jasmine.
And we're Couples Reacting. Today we hit 200,000. Ah! So, RIP headphone users.
We hit 200K, you guys, in my
So yeah.
of Dwayne's celebration.
So blessed. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much. We love
And
you.
yeah, we love you guys. Love you loyalists so much, so very much. Thank you so much. When we've hit a milestone.
Yeah,
next is 300,000, 400,000.
Now think about it. Like we first started making videos like 4 months ago. Like so for us to hit 200K in 4 months
out of nowhere, like not being anywhere, and just
nobody knew us.
And we hit 5,000 on Instagram and 5,000 on Twitter. So make sure you follow us on both of those to get like little behind the scenes stuff.
And
we do
Snapchat
stuff like that,
too,
and Snapchat too.
Stuff be happening.
Yeah, stuff be happening on Snapchat. But anyway, guys, we have roasting each other, diss track Dolan twins, and comment below if you guys want us to roast each other, because you know I know you saw Jasmine's freestyle. I mean not freestyle, rap over Logic's.
I was like, you wrote that.
Yeah, over Logic's execution.
Yeah.
And you know I did the little basement bars, you know, but so we go at each other and talk about each other and roast each other. So comment below if you want to see that. We can get that to you sometime. Look forward to next week or something. Don't quote me, because you know we're just like iffy with the time schedule because of work and all that.
Yeah.
Let's dive on in.
What's up, guys? We're back. Can you stop pushing me up? I'm completely centered. It's pointed right at me. It's not.
He's right though.
What's up, guys?
That's how me and Jazz be.
And we're the Dolan twins. Literally say it every single video, so let me say it once. What's up, guys? We're back.
Ooh.
All right, here, how about you just say no? How about you just don't say anything?
Ooh.
Okay, for the first time ever, and let me do the intro. You're still in the middle, bro. I'm not in the freaking middle at all. I'm not filming this video if you don't slide over. Shut up.
Ooh.
I'm not filming the video. I don't even want to film right now. I'm done.
Oh, he gets mad fast.
Yeah, no.
Can you please stop filming? Go film Ethan. I don't.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna wait here until he snaps out of it. He's being so difficult. Seriously.
I'm so nice to Ethan, and he treats me like this. I literally do everything for this channel. I edit all the videos.
And they sound the same.
Yeah, and it's funny how they
came up with a video idea that we're filming right now. I guess he'll just never appreciate me. I just don't get it. Like I literally help him out with everything in life.
Oh, the juice box.
No, but it's right.
I think it's time I let Ethan know how I really feel about him.
Uh-oh. Looks like you're about to fight.
The voiceovers are hilarious, like.
Because they sound exactly the same.
Yeah.
Hey, is it possible to put auto-tune?
Oh, wow.
I didn't want to sound like a second grader.
Why is it so low?
I'm for real about it quick. Say goodbye to Tuesday. Everybody knows this is over without Gray. Super immature and I'm done with your child's play. Might be your little bro, but I'm bigger in every way. I didn't want to do this, but you better take this heat. Why your jawline look like a bicycle seat? And your hair looks like the blue airhead a little kid would eat.
I didn't even notice the blue.
Yeah.
Trying to start this beat because comparing me and Just isn't fair, you can't compete. How am I gonna take an L from a kid who beat his pants at our meet and greet?
Oh.
Pants at our meet and greet. Yo, he's 6
Wow.
pants at our meet and greet.
Oh, what? Wait, pause. Wait, I went back. Dang it.
Oh, geez.
Oh my god, hold on, guys. Sorry. Oh my god, did he? What? Did funny. Alright, I'm sorry. I messed up. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's gonna make his own separate diss track.
Yeah.
Can someone get this man a dish?
Oh, a dish.
Thank you. You'll be needing that later. Yeah.
Quit right now, boy. I'm not gonna care.
Not at all.
Wouldn't be a bigger deal than my strand of blue hair. Number one in the world, I'm number one here too.
Oh.
Pretty obvious, no one comes to this channel for you.
Oh.
You do know that these subs are for me. Cause you nasty, check your face in that pic where you see it. Next but not lastly, I'm gonna get into this. That last week your chick kissed me.
Yeah, she knew it was me.
Oh. And she knew it was me.
Yeah.
Wait, you don't have a girl.
Oh.
Anymore.
Oh.
Sorry.
Just
Bieber.
Yeah.
Looking at your follow, something must have gone wrong there. How you getting all these likes with your Jimmy Neutron hair?
I was gonna say, I thought that was good.
Yeah.
What is that, a tampon? I can't get dissed by a kid who stole his earring from his grandma.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my.
Their dance moves are so funny.
Yeah, I know. Uh-oh. You gonna go back again? Oh.
Seeing each other face to face. Okay.
Okay.
You're like me, but you're worse. You're so cringe that it hurts. They say save the best for last. That's why you popped that a mom first.
Ooh.
Why your haircut look like a dorsal fin? At least I'm not the twin with the crimson shit.
He do have a strong jawline.
Yeah.
Your best in facial hair is cheesy.
You know what? Straight up. You ugly ass.
What? You can't say that. That's like we're
They're saying
identical
like
twins,
yourself
so
is ugly.
you say
Right.
that, just call yourself ugly, and then that.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. I'm starting to think that like everything we said kind of is just backfiring because we're identical
Their
twins.
voice is just so like interesting.
I'm starting to think
Yeah,
that
I
the
know.
stuff just isn't for us. We probably should just stop. Well, we suck at rapping, and
It was
that
entertaining.
cool to
We're
watch,
good.
best friends. We love each other. We love each other. What you guys?
Whoa!
Please give a thumbs up and comment down below who you think the best rooster was.
Rooster.
Roaster.
Until next Tuesday. Peace.
I think the one about the chins was like getting me like
That
so.
was funny.
I'm gonna have to give it.
I mean, the dude did have like a strong jawline.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Yeah.
That was pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie, that was very entertaining. I enjoyed
That was
it.
funny.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, please comment below if you want us to go at it. You know. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna talk about your nose.
I'm gonna talk about your nose.
Talking about your
Anyway,
nose. Okay.
anyway, guys, please comment below, tell us what you think.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe and share some more. Alright, guys. If you like reactions like this, what is he gonna do? What is he gonna do? What is he gonna do? Please, please. Oh my God!
and if you like reactions like this,
Oh, Jesus, fuck! Oh, my skin! She's peeling me fucking stuff! Fuck!
And if you like reactions like this. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Make sure you become a loyalist.
and hit that subscribe button below.
Do it!
Do it now.
Subscribe!